Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samsung Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 5 hidden settings that keys your phone battery, make your phone battery faster. Without wasting much of the time, let's dive right into the video. If this is your first time facing this channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we make more helpful videos like this on this channel. So let's go to the video. First, all you need to do is to click on the setting icon on your settings. Yeah, all you need to do next is to scroll down till you get to Google. On your Google, you're clicking on all services. On all services, you're scrolling down till you click on devices. Here you are turning off scan for nearby devices. When you click, if yours is turned on, please do well to turn it off. And here is the first one. Once it's turned off, you are going to go back again and click on more connections. Here you are clicking on quick share and click on who can share with you and click on visible to nearby devices. If yours is turned on like this, do well to turn it off. So the next, you are going to be disable used printer services. So you are going to be disabling that on your device because it's one of the things that keys your phone's battery. So first, all we need to do here is to go to your settings as well. We are on our setting here. You're going to be search for printer. So let's search for printer. Printing. Yeah, printing. On your printing here, you are going to be opening it and clicking on this first option here and turn it off. So this is one of the settings that also key your phone battery. You are going to be to next. All we need to do is to go back to our settings as well. The third on the line is to turn off your parental control. You are going to be going to your settings. We are going to be looking for digital. Where are you? Digital. Yeah, here is our digital. We are going to be clicking on the 3-line icon on the top and click on settings. So here in my digital, I'm going to be clicking on manage your data and turn it off because this is one of the settings that also key your phone battery. So I'm going to be clicking on that. Let's wait for it to load up. It's loading up usage access. So here you're going to be denying access to all this. Once you deny access to all this, then you're going back to your setting as well, to the fourth settings that is also clean your phone's battery. So the fourth on the line here is app notification. You're going to be clicking on your notification center. For some app, you're going to be seeing something like notification. So here, we're going to be clicking on more settings. So here is the app on our device on the app center. Here, all you need to do is to turn this off. You're going to be turning off the apps that you don't need their notifications. Maybe there are those apps on your device that are just sending you notifications that is not useful, notification that just turn on your phone and your phone's lighting up. That is another setting that is killing your phone's battery. So here you are going to turn off the apps that you don't need their notifications. That is the fourth settings. So here the third and the fifth in the line there is protect phone battery. You're going to be protecting your phone battery, and for you to protect your phone battery, you don't need to charge your phone to 100%. The maximum percent you need to charge your phone is 85, because once your phone is up to 100% and you are not there, the charger will still be connected to your phone, which means your phone is just connected to the charger but is not adding, and it's just killing your phone battery. So you need to set up your phone to automatically stop charging once it's 85%. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Here you are going to be clicking on battery and the settings as well. Where is my battery? Here you are going to be clicking on protection.